One way to make easy and quick money from AI is to develop AI products. This could include developing tools and applications that can be used to stream music, fill forms, or even complete assignments. You can make millions of dollars by doing nothing. The above script was written by AI. Can you even identify it? That's how powerful the AI has become. The AI has taken over the world in such a way that many human services can now be processed through AI. One of the remarkable achievements of AI is natural language processing (NLP). NLP can generate human-like text and respond to queries in a natural way. ChatGPT is one such large language model, trained by OpenAI, that can be used for various purposes, even earning money. But how can you? Before we dive into the specifics of using ChatGPT to earn money, let's first understand what it is and how it works. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that can respond to natural language queries and generate text that mimics human-like responses. Basically, a robot that can act as a human, do functions like humans, like writing scripts, producing art, etc. It is part of the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, series of language models developed by OpenAI. The model has 175 billion parameters, making it one of the largest and most sophisticated language models in existence. It's truly fantastic to see complete poems, essays, and even solutions to real-world problems come into existence within seconds with just a single command. Hey ChatGPT, how can we solve world hunger? World hunger can be solved in a variety of ways. Some solutions focus on increasing agricultural production, while others focus on increasing access to food for those who need it the most. Additionally, various organizations and groups are working to address world hunger in a variety of ways, including through education, food distribution, and agricultural research. That's some interesting stuff. You can make it do your homework, ask questions regarding any subject, and you can even ask for business advice. Now, the fact that you need not to have any prerequisite knowledge to run the program is very impressive. So, how do you get started? First of all, choose a niche. The first step is to choose a niche or area of expertise. This could be anything from technology to fashion to health and wellness. By choosing a niche, you will be able to specialize in a specific area and offer targeted services to your clients. After you are expert in the services you are about to offer, you can create a website to showcase your services. You can use a website builder like Wix or WordPress to create a professional-looking website without even any coding experience. Another way that can be very useful is language translation. ChatGPT can also be used to offer language translation services to clients. For example, if you are fluent in Spanish and English, you can use ChatGPT to translate Spanish text into English and vice versa. This can be particularly useful for businesses or individuals who need to communicate with clients or customers who speak a different language. You can charge a per-word or per-hour rate for your translation services, depending on the complexity and volume of the text. To use ChatGPT for language translation, you would need to provide it with the source text and the target language. ChatGPT will then generate a translated version of the text, which can be reviewed and edited by a human translator. This process can save time and reduce the cost of manual translation services to a very greater degree. If content creation or translation services are not your cup of tea, online tutoring can be. Another way to use ChatGPT as a side hustle is by offering online tutoring services. As a language model, ChatGPT is capable of answering a wide range of questions. You can use ChatGPT to help answer any questions your students have during your tutoring sessions. This can save you time and help your students get the answers they need quickly. If you're teaching a subject that requires examples, ChatGPT can help you generate relevant examples quickly. For instance, if you're teaching a math concept, you can ask ChatGPT to generate a few practice problems for your students to solve. Some concepts can be challenging to explain, but ChatGPT can help you break down complex ideas into more manageable chunks. You can ask ChatGPT to provide a simpler explanation or definition for a particular term or concept. Since ChatGPT can generate text that is easy to understand and follow, it can be an effective tool for online tutoring. You can charge an hourly rate for your tutoring services, depending on the level of expertise required. However, it's important to remember that ChatGPT is not a substitute for human interaction and feedback, and should be used as a supplement to your teaching rather than a replacement. A teacher is still a teacher with experience, though you can share your experience with the mix of technology with the help of ChatGPT and earn millions. You can also provide customer support with the help of ChatGPT. Many companies now use chatbots to handle customer queries and complaints. ChatGPT can be used in the same way, providing customers with instant answers to their questions. To use ChatGPT as a customer support tool, you would need to integrate it into your website or app. This can be done using a chatbot platform, such as Dialogflow, which allows you to create a custom chatbot and connect it to ChatGPT. Once integrated, ChatGPT can handle a wide range of customer queries, from simple questions about products or services to more complex technical issues. Last but not the least, ChatGPT can be used for chat moderation in online communities and forums. With ChatGPT, you can monitor chat rooms and automatically filter out inappropriate or offensive content. To use ChatGPT for chat moderation, you would need to train it to recognize specific keywords and phrases that indicate inappropriate content. ChatGPT will then automatically flag any messages that contain these keywords or phrases. This process can significantly reduce the time and effort required to moderate online communities. So are you a Discord mod who wants to also experience something else in life? ChatGPT might come to rescue. So these were the ways you can make easy money with the help of technology. Some extra tips I would like to give would be: Number 1. Choose a niche. Instead of trying to answer every question that comes your way, consider choosing a specific niche or area of expertise to focus on. This will help you develop a reputation as an expert in that field and attract more clients who need help in that area. Number 2. Build a portfolio. To attract clients, you'll need to demonstrate your expertise and experience. Consider building a portfolio of your past work, including examples of questions you've answered and testimonials from satisfied clients. Number 3. Market yourself. You can't expect clients to find you if you don't market yourself. Consider creating a website, social media accounts, or a business card to help promote your services. Number 4. Set clear boundaries. As a side hustle, it's important to set clear boundaries around when and how you'll work. Make sure you communicate your availability, pricing, and turnaround time clearly to avoid misunderstandings with clients. Number 5. Continuously improve. Finally, to be successful as a ChatGPT tutor, you'll need to continuously improve your skills and knowledge. Stay up to date on the latest trends and developments in your niche, and consider taking online courses or attending conferences to improve your skills. The world is becoming rich with the help of AI. Why are you lacking behind? So that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to know more about how to make money with ChatGPT, check out this video right here, and we'll see you there.